Have you ever found yourself searching for documentation only to realize it doesn't exist? It's frustrating, right? If you're a beginner trying to navigate RxBinding, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to find the resources you need. I completely understand how overwhelming it can be when you're trying to learn something new, especially when the resources are scarce. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers, both new and experienced, have faced this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, does anyone have a self-documented documentation or a link that has ample resources for RxBinding? This is a common concern among beginners who are eager to learn but feel lost without proper guidance. So why is this happening? RxBinding is a powerful tool, but its lack of official documentation can leave many users feeling stranded. Understanding how to navigate this gap is crucial for your learning journey. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share some valuable resources that can help you get started with RxBinding and make your learning experience much smoother. To begin addressing the user's request for RxBinding documentation, we will first explore the available resources online. The user can start by visiting the official GitHub repository for RxBinding. Next, the user should look for community-driven resources. Websites like Stack Overflow often have discussions and examples that can be very helpful for beginners. Additionally, the user can find tutorials and articles written by developers who have experience with RxBinding. These can provide practical insights and usage examples. Finally, the user can consider creating their own documentation as they learn. This can be a great way to reinforce their understanding and help others in the community. Fun fact, did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? Just imagine how far we've come since then. Learning new tools like RxBinding is part of that exciting journey. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user has shared several helpful links for RxBinding resources. They suggest checking out examples on Program Creek for both RxTextView and RxView. Additionally, they recommend a tutorial on Tuts Plus that introduces RxBinding and Rx lifecycle. They also point to a GitHub guide on RxJava and RxBinding, along with articles on Medium that simplify recycler view adapters and provide insights into reactive Android UI programming. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Always keep an eye on community updates. The tech world moves fast, and staying connected can help you discover new resources as they become available. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be well on your way to finding the resources you need for RxBinding. Remember, the journey of learning is ongoing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and resources.